Hi, this is Diane from Treasures from Jones Health and Wellness with 10 flavored infused water beverages with fruits and herbs to increase hydration. Drinking water ensures that you stay hydrated for the proper functioning of your mind and body. If you don't like the taste of plain water and need to increase hydration, try infused water beverages made with fruits and herbs to make drinking water more tasty and enjoyable. Citrus fruits like lemons, limes, grapefruits, and oranges can create classic infused water beverages that will keep you coming back for more. The added bonus is that citrus fruits are packed with vitamin C, which keeps your skin youthful and glowing and boosts your overall immune system. Berry-flavored water is a delicious way to enhance the flavor of your water. When you add berries to water to set overnight, you awaken more intense flavored infused water beverages that will tempt your taste buds and quench your thirst with style. The added bonus is that berries are antioxidant rich, protecting your body from harmful diseases. What about creating infused water beverages with fresh mint leaves? Mint leaves can seriously enhance the flavor of your water, plus the taste is simply fabulous. The added bonus is that mint leaves are not only a good source of vitamin A, which is critical for eye health, but compared to other herbs, mint leaves are a potent source of antioxidants. Mint leaf infused water beverages not only increases hydration, but it soothes an upset stomach, speeding up and easing digestion. If you really don't enjoy the taste of water, there are a variety of teas available to make infused water beverages that increase hydration. It's important not to add any sugar, honey, or cream, given that tea is a non-caloric beverage. Caffeine-free green teas, as well as herbal, fruit, white, and red teas, are generally considered to be better for you than black teas or coffee. The added benefit is that green tea helps reduce the risk of several types of cancer, heart disease, obesity, liver disease, and type 2 diabetes. Cucumbers make fabulous water-infused beverages because they provide many health benefits along with subtle, refreshing flavor. Cucumber-infused water beverages are a wonderful post-workout cool-down drink. The added benefit is that the silica in the cucumber slices, a trace mineral that keeps muscles healthy, reduces skin inflammation and puffiness. Did you know that drinking cinnamon-infused water beverages is a healthy way to increase hydration while amping up your beverage into something tasty? Just dissolve this powdered spice into hot water or infuse cinnamon sticks into cold water. The added benefit is that this super spice can lower blood pressure, reduce inflammation in the body, and help reduce your risk of heart disease. All natural, no added sugar fruit juices can be used as base flavors for tasty flavored infused water beverages. Mix 1 part juice with 3 parts cold filtered water to create these hydration concoctions. The added benefit is that pomegranate juice doesn't just taste good, but it's an excellent source of antioxidants that may help protect the brain as well as important blood vessels. Grape juice may also help protect the heart. If you're looking for an effective post-meal beverage, you may want to try ginger water infused beverages. Add sliced or grated ginger to a pitcher of water overnight unstrained. Hot ginger tea, easily made on the stove, will also increase hydration. Just add a little honey and drink warm on a cool day. The added benefit is that ginger improves digestion and prevents nausea. Looking for an ice-cold drink on a hot summer day? Freeze pureed watermelon into ice cubes to make refreshing watermelon-infused water beverages. The added bonus is that watermelon has significant levels of vitamin A, B6, and C, lots of lycopene, antioxidants, and amino acids, assisting the body in functioning optimally. Are you looking to kick that soda habit? Combine unflavored carbonated water with the fruit and herbs of your choice to get naturally flavored infused water beverages that have a bubbly soda effect. The added benefit is that this option is perfect for those looking to transition away from drinking soda while increasing hydration with the feel of carbonation for soda. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Treasures from Jones Health and Wellness, and hit the notification bell so you'll know when more videos like this are posted. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.